We've had no downtime because of the system. The washer itself has held up really well. We do a descale once a year. We change our stages out on a regular basis, which I think helps any equipment with its longevity. There's been maybe a motor that we've had to replace, a few little electronic pieces here and there that will just go out naturally, but we've had replacements on hand and we've been able to change it out and keep running. You can never have enough space. When we built this facility, like any other project, you try to cut your budget here and there, but I'd have more space. From the line itself, maybe the only thing I would have considered would be kind of an offshoot off of the main line where you can either take a carrier off to do some maintenance on it or something with product, just some areas where maybe you can come off with a spur type deal, because our carriers are all in the line, and if we do stop at some point due to a maintenance item or something like that, or changing something on that carrier, eventually it will stop the rest of the stuff. But the beauty of the IntelliFinishing system is that can always be added. The system is so modular, we could come in at any point in time and say, hey, I want to put this on here, and it can be installed while we're actually in production. I would have to say we probably are showing it every other week, like once every 2 weeks. What I can tell you is that so far, everybody that has come into our facility, whatever picture or image they've had in their mind of what they're getting ready to see in a paint shop, it's not what they expect. And everybody is pretty blown away when they see what's going on and how things move. And the system itself, I haven't had one person that what they saw is what they were thinking they were going to see.